Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your Instagram name before the 14-day limit. There's no 100% way to do this. There's no guarantee that this is going to work, but I know it's worked for some people. There really is no 100% way to do it. I just guess because of spam and stuff like that. I don't want people changing their names a million times, but there is a way that it can work, and this is the only way that I know it has worked for some people. It's really easy to do. So you guys want to head over to your profile page, and then you want to click on the three dots in the top right. And then once you're there, you want to click on settings, and then you want to click on help. And then you want to report a problem, and then you want to click on something isn't working. And then once you're on here, you just want to explain your situation, let them know why it's important that you want to change your name before the 14-day limit, whether you screwed up the name or there's some curse words in it or whatever your reasoning could be. This is where you would just explain what's going on. But like I said, it's not 100% going to work, but the good thing is that this is a real person that you're going to be talking to here, and they're going to reply to you before the 14 days, and it's not like a bot or anything that's going to answer it. So this is the only potential way that you could get your name changed before the 14-day limit. I really hope this video helped you out and gave you some kind of option to change it. If it did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching.